Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and to a Saturday Stash Dive. This layout was created at the Redefined Creative Spring and Summer Stash Bash, only I kind of went rogue on it right off the bat. Well, my internet was going in and out, so I kind of was guessing, and I thought, well, I know she suggested maybe black as the background, and so, yeah, I did the black, and I thought, well, I know I'm going to use a lot of that yellow that's in the photos. So I think I'll go ahead and frame my paper. I was kind of killing time waiting for my internet to pop back up. It was buffering, it was trying, but it wasn't making it. And so I did have it on for a few seconds and knew to do banners. So I did my banners and I'm putting them behind my photos. A lot of this class, this one right here, this layout especially, I missed because of the fact that my internet was pretty bad that day. Well, it was bad all week. But I am putting the two photos on there, and I am going to pop one of them. I believe it looks like it. Yeah, up on foam tape. And the other one, I was tempted to cut it down because you see the black right up there at the top. I thought, well, I could cut that out. And then I thought, no, I think I'll leave it because I could use it as a place to embellish. And so that's what I'm going to end up doing. And the paper I'm using is Echo Park, all boy. There might be something in here that's my boy, but I'm not sure. I don't think so because I do have them mixed together. They go good together and they're both in the same container, but I don't think I used anything that was. And let's see if I put foam tape. I did put foam tape on that picture. That foam tape's a little thinner than some that I have. And so it's kind of hard to tell what with all the other stuff I have on the page by the time I get done. I did have fun embellishing this layout. And this is the one that I beat Christina getting done. They were asking a lot of questions, and I noticed like I would be kind of ahead of her on stuff, just guessing, as far as how much was done on my layout. And then my internet was fine right there at the end, and I was adding this and adding that. And I thought, oh, if this class lasts any longer, I'm going to have everything I own on the layout. So I had to make myself quit. So I was done first on this, but only because people were asking a lot of questions and she was answering them in visual. She was doing something visual to answer them. Besides my internet not working that day, my iPad had no sound. And I had it right there in front of me. Well, I was waiting for sound, and I tried a couple of things, didn't help. So then I went and got my laptop and plugged it in behind me so I could hear what was going on. But then both of them would buffer and buffer. And yeah, I'd be thinking, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do something. And so I did. But, it ended up similar to some. Yeah, because I do have the banners. And yeah, there was some stuff that was similar. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I said she suggested black as a background. She'd give us a list of things to have ready. And come to find out, while my internet was off, she used white instead of black. But I like the black with this yellow a whole lot, so I'm glad I've got black on there. But in the photos, we were at the park one day, and this park is right next to the McDonald's, so we usually would have lunch and then go over to the park. The other McDonald's in town, well, one of the others, it has the play area inside and out. But, there's a whole lot more to do at this park. So plenty of times I take them down there just so they can have more things to do. My title, everything is Echo Park. And so I got summer fun there. And I hadn't quite made up my mind what to do for the title. I cut out the adventure, and I was going to have adventure and fun in the summer maybe, and well, several different things. But when I was pulling those off of that piece of paper, pulling them out, I noticed that the adventure, was really straight on there because it's all one piece. But I thought I could cut that out and use it instead of the other letters. Well, then I liked the idea of putting the other letters, 3, 3, and 3, instead of putting it straight across. So I decided to do both. So my title ends up being Adventure, More Adventure, and Summer Fun. So yeah, I was just using everything and making a long title. But see how straight that is? Like I said, it is all one piece. I can do that again sometime. But instead of having the black shine through, I decided to take a strip of the green and have the green shine through. And I am going to put it on foam tape also. But you all are probably looking at that screen and saying, why does she need 2 pairs of scissors? Well, one of them was kind of on the sticky side. I do have a pair that's supposed to have the Teflon on it, but they're so old that they don't have the Teflon on it anymore anyway. But I must have done something pretty sticky, probably the foam tape, even though that foam tape is not super sticky. I decided to look in my little container that has fun shapes. That's what I have on the outside. And it has gears and all kinds of other stuff in there. And I am going to use a couple of things in there. I'm using the viewfinder, well, half of the viewfinder. And I am getting something else out, I think. Let me look. I'm looking. Nope. I'm going to end up pulling some arrows out of the arrow one, though. I do pull a punch out also. Well, 2 of them, because I have 2 circle punches underneath one of my pieces of chipboard. And this piece of chipboard, it's black. Well, it's not chipboard. I think that is a cardstock sticker, yeah. And I wanted it to show up better than what it looked like it was going to. So I am going to mount it on the yellow and then the black eventually. I haven't done it yet. I just put the yellow on there, but I am going to add the black too, because I'm going to decide I need a circle there in the middle of the circle of the viewfinder. I decided I needed to pull out some tiny embellishments, so I got the puffy stickers, and I already have one dinosaur up on the upper right, and I'm putting one next, well, right there in with my title, and another puffy sticker that says something about a fort. And I can't tell you what, because you know how puffy stickers are? Sometimes they stick and you think they're going to do really good, which I apparently did, and it didn't. The one that was beside that little dinosaur, it didn't. It was kind of crooked because it didn't stick good. So what do? I straighten it. And then I lift my layout up again. Since I've been doing this voiceover, and it fell off down in my recliner. I don't know where. I tried looking for it. It is down there somewhere, but it's pretty small, as you can tell. So I might not find it. It might have that empty spot there. No, I'll probably go find something to put in its place if I don't find it. But I'm going to wait till I'm done with the video. Now, the black cardstock that I'm using is American Crafts. The black and the white both, I'll buy the 60, the big containers. And then they last me a while because I know I'm going to use black and white. And all the times before when I get the black, the center part would be black because it says no white core or something. I don't remember, or solid. I can't remember what it says on there. Well, this one's different. It's gray. So if I do tear it, it has gray showing through, which I like. I like that idea. I do have quite a few pieces of coronation because of the fact of them having different colors in the center. And when my local scrapbook store went out of business, not the last one that went out of business, but the one that went out before, I bought a bunch of their coronation cardstock. And I'm kind of hoarding it. I do use it, but I save it for the layouts where I'm going to be tearing the cardstock so the other colors will show through. And what's neat, it's like a variety. Like I've got black and then I'll have teal or kind of a pink or gray like this has or something. And then when I tear it, you can see that part. But yeah, I don't know if they even sell it anymore. I haven't seen any in a while. And when I've been shopping, I haven't seen any. There might be some where you live because I know when I go on trips, I'll find all kinds of stuff that I've never had around here. Not that we have a scrapbook store anymore. Yeah, the shutdown, when everything shut down, it shut down and didn't come back up. But yeah, I'm going to miss that place. Well, I guess I could still go to that place, but it's a candy store now. I don't know how well that's going to do. It's the same people owning it, but it's a candy store. But it's kind of like gourmet stuff and everything I heard. I just, you know, don't buy that much candy unless it's chocolate. I love chocolate. Usually that's all I end up buying. Well, while I was rambling, it looks like I pretty much got done with my layout. I think I'm adding the stars, and once the stars are be added, once they're done adding, getting on there, once I get done with adding them, it will be done. But yeah, I rambled while I was adding stuff. But yeah, see how much I put on here? Well, y'all know I would have probably done it anyway. Internet being good or not, or getting done before or after Christina. I probably would have added as much as I could anyway. But yeah, that's it. Oh, it says, welcome to our fort. Yeah, it fell down somewhere. I don't know where. But I am going to try to find it. But there's my grandson, Jake. And oh, the energy those kids have when we go to the park. Well, those are older now. Those two are. So they probably wouldn't want to go to the park. But I do have younger ones that still like to go to the park. And yeah, I like to take them. But if you leave a comment down there below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. And thank you to whoever gifted me with this class. But have a happy scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.